In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok Shop to WooCommerce. We'll be doing this directly from your WordPress dashboard. And the goal is to get WooCommerce connected to TikTok so you can manage your store integration more smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into WordPress with permission to install plugins and manage marketing integrations. Start by opening your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the plugins section and choose Add New. This is where you can install the TikTok integration needed for WooCommerce. In the plugin search bar, type TikTok and look for the TikTok for WooCommerce extension. Be sure you're selecting the correct plugin so the setup wizard and marketplace tools appear properly afterward. When you find it, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin is what adds the TikTok connection features to your WooCommerce store. After the plugin is active, go to your WordPress sidebar, open Marketing, and select TikTok. This takes you into the TikTok for WooCommerce setup area, where the actual connection process begins. Next, click Connect Account. This will prompt you to authorize WooCommerce to access your TikTok profile. During this part, follow the sign-in and approval prompts carefully so the store and TikTok can communicate securely. If your browser opens a new tab or pop-up, just continue through the authorization flow and return to WordPress when it's complete. From there, the onboarding wizard will guide you through linking or creating your TikTok Business Center and your TikTok ad account. This is an important part of the setup because it connects the business side of TikTok with your store. Take your time here and confirm that you're choosing the correct account if you already have one. Once that's done, continue with the setup for your TikTok Business Center and Pixel. The Pixel helps track customer activity and is especially useful for marketing, reporting, and ad performance. Make sure this section is completed fully since it supports better syncing and measurement later on. Next, move to the catalog setup inside the wizard. This is where TikTok prepares to receive your WooCommerce products. Continue through the prompts to sync your product catalog. Depending on the size of your store, this may take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Finally, complete the remaining setup and move into the management stage. At this point, your TikTok and WooCommerce connection should be in place, and you'll be able to manage the integration from the TikTok area inside WordPress. It's a good idea to review your connected assets and synced products one last time to make sure everything looks correct. Once that's done, your setup is complete.